This tympanic diaphragm is the series of mucosal fold from supratuberc area till the pyramidal eminence. So here to here, this goes like this. This is the tympanic diaphragm. This tympanic diaphragm is series of mucosal fold which are having this tensor tympani fold, anterior malleolar fold, lateral malleolar fold, lateral incudal fold, medial incudal fold. So there are 5 folds with having this body of this head of the malleus and body of the incus. This are the main components. So two main components are head of the malleus and body of incus with having 5 fold: tensor tympani fold, anterior malleolar fold, lateral malleolar fold, medial and lateral incudal fold are main component of this. Now talk about anterior tympanic isthmus. See, this anterior tympanic isthmus is the area here is the perforation in this diaphragm which ventilate the epitympanum. So this epitympanum having laterally the body of incus. Medially you will get this tensor tympani fold and below you will get the stapes. So this area the anterior tympanic isthmus. While the posterior tympanic isthmus is between the pyramidal process here and you will get the short process here and posterior incudal ligament. So this area is the here is the posterior tympanic isthmus and this area and below you will get the stapes. So this is connection. These area are relation with the stapes. Anterior to stapes in epitympanum is the anterior tympanic isthmus, while posterior to stapes is the area of posterior tympanic isthmus. So these area are relation with this diaphragm. So these anterior tympanic isthmus and posterior tympanic isthmus are the area to ventilate the mustard through epitympanum till the supratubercular recess. So you should know this anterior and posterior tympanic isthmus. So in revision, anterior tympanic isthmus is medial to the body of incus, passing between the stapes, long process of incus and tensor tympani tendon. While the posterior tympanic isthmus is between pyramidal process, short process of incus, posterior incudal ligament and medial incudal fold, stapes and stapedial tendon. So in short, you can say anterior to the stapes is the anterior tympanic isthmus, posterior to the stapes is the posterior tympanic isthmus which goes into the mastodontium.